Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat chats are not showing on Snapchat. So guys, first of all, you can see appears on screen. Open the Snapchat app and you can see appears on screen Snapchat chats are not showing. So guys, how to fix this issue? Number one is there are several things you can try to fix the issue of Snapchat chats are not showing. Basic troubleshooting, force close and reopen the app. Simply close the app. If your app is open, close the app and reopen it and fix your problem. This can sometimes clear minor glitches. Close the app completely, then reopen it and fix your problem. Number second is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection, both you and your friend. Try switching to Wi-Fi if you are on cellular data or vice versa. Simply tap on settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is connected, if your iPhone is connected to smooth or stable Wi-Fi, then easy. If your device is not connected with compatible Wi-Fi, simply change the connection and connect another Wi-Fi and fix your problem. Connect another Wi-Fi and fix Snapchat friends problem. If solution number 2 is not working, applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix various app issue. Simply tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on shutdown and dragging the slider to right side and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check Snapchat server status. Sometimes the issue might be on Snapchats and you can check their server status on websites like Down Detector to see if your other users are reporting similar problems. Wait 5 to 10 hours. Your problem is fixed. Snapchat fix the problem and you can use it after some times. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is how to simply open the Snapchat app and tap on the profile icon, tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find, tap on log out. Are you sure you want to log out? Log out your Snapchat account and log in back and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, simply reinstall the app, tap on remove app, delete app and reinstall again and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Snapchat chats are not showing on Snapchat on iPhone or Android. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.